Hello friends, this is Tamrag back with another video, and in this video I will show you how to install Pixel Experience ROM on your Redmi Note 3, and I will share my experience on this ROM. So without wasting any more time, let's begin with the video. Before proceeding this video, you will need an unlock bootloader and TWRP recovery installed on your device. If you don't know, then don't worry. I have made a detailed video on that, so do check it out. Links are in the description box below. Once you are done with unlocking process, download the Pixel Experience ROM zip file. Links for that available in the description box below. Download and copy the zip file into your phone's internal storage. Then switch off your device and boot your device into TWRP recovery. In order to do that, hold volume up and power button together. Once you are booted into TWRP recovery, go to wipe and select swipe to factory reset. Once wiping is done, go to install and locate the Pixel Experience ROM zip file and swipe to confirm flash. Here no need to flash G-apps separately as G-apps is included in the ROM zip file. Once flashing is done, click on reboot system now. Now you can see I have booted into the system. I will quickly set up my device and get back to you. As this is Pixel Experience ROM, you will get all the features of Pixel devices like unlimited storage for Google Photos, Pixel Launcher, wallpapers, icons, fonts and boot animation like Pixel devices. Now let's check how the camera is working. As you can see, the front and rear camera is working fine. And as I am using this ROM from last couple of days, I haven't find any major app crashes. But sometimes camera app is not focusing on the subject. I have to manually reboot the device to fix the issue. Now let's check the Geo Calling. Geo voice calling is also working. Let me show you the same.
Welcome to Geo मराठीसाठी एक दाबा. To continue in English.
As you can see, Geo Calling is working fine, but video call is not working at this time. Now let me show you the few customization options that this ROM offers. For that, go to settings and then system settings. Here you will find few customization options. First, let's go to buttons. Here you can enable or disable the navigation bar, and also you can customize the hardware buttons as you like. Now go back. After that we have gestures. In that we have one single setting. Double tap to jump to the camera. Now if you go to software updates followed by add-ons, here you will get some extra additional features to download like pixel live wallpapers and AR stickers. Other than that, there is no additional options or customization options available in this ROM like nitrogen noise or resurrection remix ROM. Now I will quickly show you the multitasking performance and RAM management of this ROM. As you can see, I can easily multitask multiple apps at the same time and there is no reloading of apps. So the RAM management is pretty good, I would say. Now let's run Antutu benchmark and let's see the output. Meanwhile, I will tell some bugs of this ROM. First, sometimes system launcher or pixel launcher is constantly crashing. To work it normally, I have to manually reboot the device. Second, sometimes camera app is not able to connect to the camera. To work it normally, again I have to reboot the device. So these two major bugs that I have faced with this ROM. And as this is a custom ROM, we will face some UI lags here and there. Other than that, there is no major bug. Now let's talk about battery life of this ROM. I am getting 4 to 5 hours of screen on time with this ROM. If I charge my battery at morning, it lasts me till 7 to 8 pm. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you are interested, you can also check out my other custom ROM videos. And if you have any doubts or suggestions for this video, then please let me know in the comment section below. I would love to hear you. And I hope you like this video. If you did, then please hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more such videos. This is Anurag signing off. Have a great day.